Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many C++ developers face. The issue at hand involves the interaction between universal references and copy constructors. It's a tricky situation that can lead to headaches during development. But fear not, we have a solution up our sleeves that might just save the day. When it comes to resolving this conundrum, one interesting approach is to utilize a tag type, similar to how std piecewise_construct_t is used. By incorporating a tag type that marks a perfect forwarding constructor as a non-copy move constructor, we can provide clear instructions to the compiler on how to handle the situation. This can be exemplified by using std piecewise_construct in constructor calls, guiding the compiler on the intended behavior. This simple yet effective technique helps in navigating the complexities of forwarding constructors, paving the way for smoother development processes. In summary, by incorporating tag types like std piecewise_construct_t into our codebase, we can enhance clarity and precision when dealing with complex constructor scenarios. These tag instructions serve as helpful guides for the compiler, ensuring that our intentions are accurately conveyed and executed. So next time you're grappling with universal references and copy constructors, remember to reach for the tag types to steer your code in the right direction. And with that, remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Happy coding!